Hello everyone, my name is Gev. I hope you guys had a great week. It's Friday, May 1st, so let's talk capital. Alright guys, so month has finally finished. We finally got monthly closes on everything. We got weekly closes. We got the weeks over, thank God, right? So let's go ahead and run over everything. So we're looking at S&P 500 monthly right now. And as far as the monthly goes, it was a pretty solid close. We did end it at resistance basically, but monthly looks pretty good to me. Okay, the problem here is weekly. So weekly we got the exact candle that I wanted to see to get into a short play. So that's exactly what I'm going to be looking for on Monday here, is to go short on the S&P 500. We got a gravestone doji candle again. We got right under resistance. We rejected both of our levels. We rejected the 50 moving average weekly, and we are pretty much ready for a move back down to the weekly 200 moving average, which as of right now sits at 2668. Okay, by the time we get there, I want to say 2675 is a safe target for a short. That's where I'm going to be looking to go on this guy. But daily, I'm sorry, that's 3 day daily. We have that gap. We hit the 200, right? But the main thing here is we rejected this entire area, guys. So basically, we're finally getting some real life seeping into the markets. Okay, it's not about the market just going up in a straight line, disregarding all the news that we're getting day in, day out. That's negative, right? We're finally starting to see a reconnection between real life and the markets, where before it was pretty much disconnected. Okay, another big sign of the turnaround was this dark cloud cover candle combination right here, where we have a big bullish candle and then we have a gap up and a push back down 50% into the candle. That's a dark cloud cover. That's exactly what we got. Okay, and the weekly doesn't help the bulls either. Okay, gold monthly, guys. Gold monthly, I would have been very bullish had we had this body close above the wicks, but because we didn't, again, we're dealing with a gravestone doji along with a regular doji candle. It means there's a lot of indecision at this level because it's major at this between the 1560 and the 1750 level. It's major, guys, because once we break through these levels with solid candles, gold is gone. Gold is going to be ready for 2000, no problem, and higher. Okay, this is exactly why we're getting major indecision here, because this is the last level for bears to hold. Because if bears lose this battle here, it's over. The bulls have full control of the market. They already have with this massive move coming in. For the past 2 years, gold has moved 50%, guys. That's massive. That is massive. That's not light. That's very big for gold. 50% move in 2 years for an asset that doesn't move percentages like that is massive, guys. And we have a massive problem coming in right here. We can't get over this level solidly because the bears don't want to let us at the moment. They have a little fight left in them. Okay, weekly, again, not a good close, not something I want to see, but that's where we are. Daily, kind of, if you guys remember, actually in yesterday's video I said that I would not personally take the trade, but if you're a ballsy trader, 1676 was the long. We got down to 1670, so you'd be dealing with about a $7 stop loss. And if I remember correctly, I said we'd be coming up to about 1700-ish. Well, we closed the day off at 1703. Okay, so pretty solid $29 move. If you had the balls to take it, I would not have taken it. Very risky trade. But as you guys can see, trend lines are there for a reason. They work more than they don't, right? We did get a break at the trend line, but immediately reversed back to the 50 moving average. Oil, guys. Oil monthly candle tells me one simple thing. This entire range is in play. Okay, I went a little too high there. Realistically, about 35, and not realistically, not zero. Okay, but this entire, you know what? Let's edit that, make it look a little bit better. Realistically, we're looking at this entire range is in play. So we're looking to push sideways in this range for months to come. Okay, there's a massive indecision candle. This means neither the bears or the bulls are in control of the market, and we're looking to push sideways. This is all this means, guys. Weekly candles, same deal from the previous week. This week we had some nice bullish action. We put down a bullish hammer. So we do look like we want to go up to $28 again and test that range. Biggest hurdle here is on the daily level. We are at major resistance right now. So $22 to $19 is major resistance, guys. Look at this. Look at these sell-offs that we had, right? We went down to zero all the way from that range. So this is major resistance. If we can get above it and clear it, we will be looking at $28 to $30 range. Okay, that's only if we can get above it right now. As far as the quarantine and the stay-at-home orders go, they don't look like they're going to be lifted for the bigger states yet. So California, New York, Florida, and stuff, they don't look like. If anything, it's getting worse in some of these states. So the demand for oil is still going to be low. So I would be shocked if we push up to the $28 level quickly. However, it's not impossible. Pretty tough to say. I mean, we are resistant, so technically I would be looking for move lower, especially after the bullish action we got. Okay, the daily candle didn't close as bullish we wanted to. So again, move lower would be maybe to the $13 level. That'd be solid. $13 level. Looking for a long, I would go for that. Tesla, guys. I mean, how do I say this nicely? Everybody who thinks Tesla is going to the moon, for lack of a better term here, all you need to go is go on Twitter and look at the psychotic owner of the company, Mr. Elon Musk, who tweeted out yesterday saying that his company isn't worth the price that the stock is trading at right now. I don't know how you explain that. I don't know how you justify that kind of logic as the owner of a company. But again, in a world with no common sense these days, I guess that's a rational comment to make. Good for me is he reversed the price of his stock and proved that we had no business being up here in the high 8 level, right? Fully rejected the downtrend. We're now moving lower. The first level of support is going to be 650. If we do not hold 650, guys, we're coming straight down to about 480 to 500 level, okay? That's as simple as I can put this for you guys. And if we don't hold that, then we come all the way down to 350. And if we don't hold 350, then we just fall back into this trading range of 380 to 220-ish. Okay, now I completely expect this thing to come back down to 380, at minimum 450. So that 450 to 380 level, I completely expect us to revisit, guys. This, just like the owner of the company said, we had no business being up here. Okay, 2 quarters of positive earnings in a 10-year history does not justify you shooting up 300%, returning back down another 100 and whatever percent. This thing was, what did it come down 60%? We went up 279%, came down 64%, went back up another 147%. Come on, man. What is this? Are we talking about Bitcoin, for lack of better terms here? No, stocks, companies who have employees and products should not be moving at an irrational pace like this, right? This is an unstable stock, which is why it's performing the way it is, consistently gapping up and down. Okay, so we're looking at 650. If we don't hold 650, we're coming down to about 520, and if that doesn't hold, we're coming back lower, guys. Very simple. Gravestone Doji's king. It is unbeaten. It will stay unbeaten. It does not matter the chart. It does not matter the commodity, the index, the crypto, the gold, whatever it is, guys. It will stay unbeaten. Unless you get a close above the wick, Gravestone Doji's in play. It means we push lower. Okay, and that's exactly what we're looking to do. I'm going to start doing Bitcoin weekly close videos on Sundays. Okay, when we're getting right near the weekly close, we are getting very, very close to the halving event, guys. So that's something to keep your eyes peeled wide open for, and that's the reason why I'm going to do Sunday close videos, because we're hitting critical levels on Bitcoin. So I want you guys to be up to date with what's going on, not be behind. And the only way to really do that is to go over it on Sunday instead of Friday. So Friday we'll have videos like this for the time being with market wrap up, and then Sunday we'll do Bitcoin. All right, guys. So I hope you guys have a great day. Please like and subscribe. Please leave a comment and dislike if you didn't like the content. And like I said, I hope you guys have a good weekend, and I'll see you guys on Sunday. Thank you for watching.